to be demoing Fannie Mae's challenge. So first off, we've got all of the data: ID, grossly monthly income, credit card payment, car payment, and so on. So what we did essentially was we created a person class where we instantiated all of those. And then we have 4 different functions: check loan to value, check debt to income ratio, check front end debt to income, and check credit score. And these are all based on the requirements or prerequisites that were mentioned in the file. Next, once we've got person.java, we've got main.java, where we're reading and writing to a file and giving our suggestions. We're using a hash map to read the data because it's O of 1 complexity when it comes to adding the data. So here, as you can see, we're reading the values, we're instantiating person, and so finally, when I run it, I get this output file where we show the ID number and we explain to them that they're not ready to buy a home and why. And then if we scroll down a bit further, we can see, for example, customer ID number 8, this customer is ready to buy a home. So therefore, they have no need for suggestions for improvement. This pie chart shows the amount of people who are eligible to buy a house versus the people who are not eligible to buy a house. So using this Jupyter notebook, how we got the 7.9% and 92.1%. And this is again based on the 10,000 data points that we had. Be our next pie chart. So as you can see, we've got LVT, the DTI, the FEDTI, the credit score, and the mortgage portion high. And so if you remember from the Java file, we had those functions, and so those functions were essentially calculating these values. And so we used the data that we had, imported it into our Jupyter notebook here, and we created this pie chart. Thank you.